body is constantly making one decision all day long. Should I burn or should I store? And you're holding on to energy. Now, the question becomes, where are those signals coming from? And this is where most people have never been taught what actually is going on. The biggest source of those signals is actually your gut. Everything from your gut goes straight to your liver. There's no delay, no buffering. Your liver is basically the first organ that hears from your gut after you eat. So if your gut is stable, your liver gets clean, calm signals. If your gut is unstable, your liver gets chaos. And when your liver gets chaos, it plays it safe. And playing it safe looks like storing fat. Now let's make this really simple. Inside your gut, you have bacteria that control and help everything, not just digestion, everything. Energy, cravings, inflammation, even fat storage. And there are two groups that matter a lot here, bifidobacteria and akkermansia. You don't need to remember these names. Just remember this. These bacteria help keep your gut lining strong and signals clear. When they're present, your system runs smoothly. When they're missing, things start leaking through your gut. And this is where the problem starts. When your gut lining gets weak, tiny particles leak through into the bloodstream. Stuff that's not supposed to be there. Your immune system sees that and immediately goes, something's wrong. So it activates. And when your immune system activates, it sends out signals, inflammatory signals. Now, these signals travel straight to your liver, and your liver responds by going into defense mode. And defense mode means slow everything down, store energy, don't take risks. That's fatty liver. Joel Green talks about this in the Immunity Code, that fat storage is not primarily a calorie equation, it's an immune signaling equation. Your immune system is constantly deciding what your body does with energy, burn it or store it. And if your immune system thinks something is wrong, it chooses store every single time. Now, let's go one step further. They show up, they create inflammation, they deal with threats. The other team resolves things. They clean up, repair, calm everything down. Fatty liver happens when the aggressive team stays active for too long. So now you've got this chain reaction happening. Your gut is unstable, your immune system is activated, your liver is being told to store fat. And you're sitting there blaming carbohydrates.